Alrighty, Ray, here's your 427FE. Give you description of this combination. Got a set of our new cylinder heads on it. Edelbrock manifold, EFI, fuel management, Holley Terminator X, got the March Serpentine belt set up. Custom grind solid roller. Going to make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 460 foot-pounds torque, peak torque 469, peak horsepower 473, rate of 470, front end's about 15, so it's really good. It's a new cylinder head on it and stuff. So what we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card. It is full of technical information. In your crate will be a packet there. This engine spec sheet will be in there. It'll have a lot of specs you should read up on. Have a great day.